In today's video, we are going to show you how to back up Google Photos to pCloud, especially if your Google storage is running out of space or just want a safer backup for your photos. We've got you covered. Let's begin. Now, before you download anything, take a moment to organize your albums. In my case, I wanted to back up this album and its content. So first off, click the gear icon on the top corner. Now, why this matters? Because Google Photos gives you these controls before exporting. Okay, you can choose from original quality. That means you can store photos and videos with no change to their quality. Or if you want a storage saver, store more at a slightly reduced quality. It's up to you. Okay, you can also hover down below if you wanted to have more control over your preferences. And once you are happy, go back again to the albums. Now I want you to click the plus icon here because this is the moment we can back up Google Photos to pCloud. Just click the backup folders automatically. What will happen is you will be asked to select a folder, click on it, and as you can see, there is like a pop-up window that is asking permission to back up Google Photos to pCloud. All I have to do is super simple, click the allow button, all right? And click the folder backup, okay? Once you've done that, I want you to hover to your pCloud account. And then as you may notice, on your pCloud dashboard, click the backups and you will be forwarded here. As you may notice, we have successfully backed up the folder from Google Photos here in our pCloud. It's super simple. One thing that I wanted to take note is that on the backups here, you want to make sure that your Google Drive and Google Photos are connected. So in my case, I have my account here connected. And if you want to disconnect, you can do so by clicking the disconnect button. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to back up Google Photos to pCloud. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.